radical leftist socialist commie bastards you could imagine. Coming from the state of Georgia, no one's that stupid, folks. But that's why, we can do 102 if you want. I mean, in all fairness, guys, I take that one a little personally because I look at sort of what they did to me.
Biden was here today also. They had 14 people in the Congress. There was no way. And I just want to thank you. You know, I've had 2 elections. I won both of them. I shouldn't say this. Now they don't want to talk about it. Unless they can say something bad about you, they don't want to talk about it. I think a lot of you despise them. As you know, there's nothing the radical Democrats will not do to get power that they so desperately crave, even the outright stealing of elections. We did much better, as I said, this time. Much, much better. But I won Michigan from her by 10,000. And we are from Georgia. And our hearts bleed red, white, and blue. We are one movement, one people, one family, and one glorious nation under God. And together with the incredible people of Georgia, we have made America powerful again, our military.
He restored our military. My opponent, radical liberal Raphael Warnock, he attacked our police, our military. He spoke out against Israel, evangelicals, small businesses.
No, if we didn't win, I'd be all. Of course, if I didn't win, you.
Are 2 amazing senators that we have to send back to the Senate. Thank you, God bless you, God bless Georgia, and God bless America.